Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel RAR Max Academy. Today in this video we are going to discuss the topic logarithms, as one of our viewers has requested to explain the topic. So firstly, let us see the formulas in the topic logarithms. First formula, a power x into a power y is equals to a power x plus y. So bases are in multiplication and the powers are different. So a power x plus y. Log a xy is equals to log x to the base a plus log y to the base a. So third formula is a power x by a power y is equals to a power x minus y. Fourth one, log x by y to the base a is equals to log x minus log y. As these are in division rule, so it will be subtracted. Here it is in multiplication rule, so these are added. And the next formula is log x to the power n is equals to log n log x a. And the next one is log a to the base a is equals to 1. And log 1 to the base a is equals to 0. A log n to the base a is equals to n. A power m to the whole power n equals to a power m n. So let us solve few problems based on the formula we have seen. First problem is find the value of following. In these 4 sub questions are there. Let us see the first one, log of 1 by 16 to the base 2. Okay, first we need to find out the LCM of 16 factors. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So let us write down the factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equals to 2 power 4. So we can write down 16 as a 2 power 4. Let us go into the problem. Log of 1 by 16. So in the place of 16 we are writing the LCM factor 2 power 4. Okay. Here it is in 1 by 2 power 4. We are writing it as a numerator term log 2 power minus 4. Here why? Because minus, when it is in the denominator it is plus. So when it comes to numerator the power of value will be changed. So log 2 power minus 2 to the base 2. So here log a to the base a, here power is n. So by using the formula is here. So minus 4 into log 2 base 2. So here power and denominator, power and base are equal. So the value will be 1. Minus 4 into 1 is equals to minus 4. Here it is a solution for the LCM and the formula we have discussed. Now let us see the another question. Log 1 to the base 7. Here we can solve this one by using one formula, that is log 1 to the base n is equals to 0. Here base n is 7. So the value of is 1. Log 1 means it might be n might be any number, any integer. So then the value of log 1 to the base 7 is equals to 0. For example, if you take log 1 to the base 100 is equal to 0 only. So the next question is log of 8 by 27 and the base is 2 by 3. So in the same way we need to find out the factors of 8 and 27 to solve the problem. So let us see here, 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. How? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So which is equals to 2 power 3. And the same way 27. 27 factors are 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So we can write it as a 3 power 3. Okay. So we are going to write in the same way in the place of 8 and 27. So log of 2 power 3 by 3 power 3. Here the powers are same. By using this formula, a power m by b power m equal to a by b whole power m. So here power is same in the numerator and denominator. We can write it as a whole power m. So log of 2 by 3 whole power m, that is 3. 2 by 3 whole power 3. So here the terms and bases are same. So we can write it as a 3 into log of 2 by 3 to the base 2 by 3. So this can be written as a 1. So 3 into 1 equal to 3. And the next question is log of 0.01 to the base 10. Here it is decimal value given 0.01. How can we write it as a rational number? Log of 1 by 100. 100 can be written as 10 into 10, that is 10 square. Okay, so let us write down the power of 10 power 2 as a numerator. We can be write as 10 power minus 2. Log 10 to the base 10 can be written as 1. So here the power came into multiplication. So minus 2 into 1 is equals to minus 2. Now let us see another problem. Find the values of the following. A and B are given. First let us solve the A. Log 16 minus log 2. Here bases are same for the two terms. Log 2, 16 minus 2. So let us recall the formula log x to the base a minus log y to the base a equal to log of x by y to the base a. We can use the formula LHS as RHS, LHS equal to RHS, RHS equal to LHS. So here we are writing RHS equal to LHS. So log x minus log y equal to log of x by y. X is 16, y is 2. 2 ones are 2 8s are 16. So log 8 can be written as 2 power 3, that is 2 into 2 into 2, 2 power 3. So log 2 the power is 3. So 3 into log 2 to the base 2. So log 2 to the base 2 can be written as a value 1, that is 3 into 1 equal to 3. Okay. Now let us see the B1, log 2 plus log 5. So here the bases are not given for the logarithm, means those are same. Let us consider like that. So these logarithms are in addition. So we can use the formula log x plus log y equal to log xy. So log of x is 2, log of y is 5. So log xy is nothing but log of 2 into 5, that is 2 5s are 10, log 10. Log 10 value is 1. Okay, and try to solve the following questions, just like practice. Log of 5 12, and second one is log 10 plus 2 log 3. Okay, try to solve these two questions and so that you can understand the concept clearly. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any queries, please comment below. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share and comment. But don't forget to subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get notified.